the casino. In case you were wondering, we just randomly came across this. All the different machines they have. Blackjack and machine rolly things. I don't know what it's called. I feel like I'm intoxicated and I haven't even drank anything. Poker, that's what it is, poker. I knew there was one other. Blackjack, poker, slot machines. Whew, it's really hot. Boleros. Oh look, cafe hotel. Smells good in here. I don't know how much it is. I would buy one, just to have a Cuban one. I'm going. As you can see, my brother's very friendly today. But look, they put all Cuban stuff up to get into the mood. Ooh, look at the piano and stuff. Piano looks nice. Sitting down. Oh my god. This is the most comfortable seat I've been in all day. So the muster drill is about to be ready to start. Everybody's all packed in. We've only been in a muster drill once where it's been outside. We've only been on 3 cruises total, but this is another one inside, so which is really nice. I think it's because it's a little bit rainy. Not really rainy, but it's more, I don't know, it's not humid either. It's just kind of like it's about to rain, but not really. And here's all the coffee drinks you can get.